The poultry production environment is characterized by the presence of heavy load composed mainly with organic matter. We carried out a comparative test between water cleaning effectiveness and Kenosan cleaning effectiveness. Results showed that Kenosan is by more than 40% more effective than water alone.
We compare Kenosan with competitors. To do that, we have to perform some tests. If we think cleaner, we have to think about efficacy. To do that, we have to do some cleaning tests by dipping or by foaming. The dipping test, we put a dirty plate with very greasy and sticky soil in the product up and down. With this, we show that Kenosan is 2 times more performant than competition. Kenosan is 40% more performant than just water in high pressure. And Kenosan cleans 90% of the dirt in your area.
To be considered as highly effective, a detergent should answer some requirements. It should be able to act on surfaces with high organic load. It should be safe for people, for animals, and for the environment.
In fact, when we look at the cleaner, we have to look on what is inside the product in theory and what are the key performance. Kenosan is one of the best products in the field, and we validate really a high performance of the product.